This week
on Bonding with Byrd.
Happy holidays!
You know that you go into people's houses. You want to bring something nice with you. Pineapple upside down rum cake!
Did you have a shot before you started?
Yeah, man, spice rum. Get the spice rum. You know what I'm saying? But don't be drinking it beforehand. You know what I'm saying? Never mind.
Happy holidays!
Hey, welcome back to Bonding with Byrd. I'm Petri Byrd.
And I'm Makita.
Hey, we have something special for you this time, okay?
Ooh, yes.
During this holiday time of year, you know, we know that you go into people's houses, you want to bring something nice with you. Pineapple upside down rum cake!
It's absolutely incredible, and he brings this cake everywhere he goes.
So I don't have to bring a bottle, see?
Cheapy.
Get it all in there.
But it's so good. It's so worth it. So, you ready to start?
I'm ready when you're ready.
Hey, make sure you
I'm
guys
born ready.
make sure you guys
Stay
pay
ready, so I don't
attention.
have to get ready. I'm sorry. All right, never mind.
Come on, baby.
Let's make
this
cake.
pineapple upside down rum cake.
Yeah, cake. So check this out. In order to have a good rum cake, any good rum cake starts off with beer.
And wine.
That's right.
Eye contact.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Ingredients. Tell them what you got to do.
Anyway, so you can start off if you want to doing the whole scratch thing. I don't scratch. I know some of you are going, oh yeah, you know you're supposed to do it from scratch. You do it, okay? Me, I'm a cheat. I'm gonna use this Duncan Hines Pineapple Supreme Cake Mix, all right? But I'm gonna add a little surprise to it. I'm gonna put this vanilla pudding in there. You know why? Because if you put vanilla pudding in there, it makes it merged. Merged. M-O-I-S-T. Merged.
It's gonna make it moist,
So
right?
very merged.
Yeah,
very merged,
that part.
okay? You know, I'm from Brooklyn, merged. All right? We're gonna have pineapples in there. Why? Because it's a pineapple upside down rum cake. All right? Pineapple slices. That's all you gotta do. You know, a can of pineapple slices.
And make sure it has pineapple juice, not the syrup, okay? Because he's gonna use that instead of the water.
What she said. Okay, and you gotta have eggs. Gotta have 3 eggs to go in the cake. Butter. Okay. Now the recipe on the box does call for a 1/3 cup vegetable oil, but you know you
Change it up a little bit. That's how you make it your own.
yeah,
You know,
something like that.
The
All
butter
right?
makes it better.
Here's another important part. These maraschino cherries. These are cherries that have been soaked in some kind of brine for like 18 months. Okay, just get them. All right, they're good for nothing but drinks and pineapple upside down rum cake. All right. Brown sugar. Get the dark brown sugar because we know the dark brown sugar is sweeter. You know what I'm saying? So get the dark brown sugar and of course.
That's Did you have a shot before you started?
Yeah, man, spice rum. Get the spice rum. You know what I'm saying? But don't be drinking it beforehand. You know what I'm saying? Never mind. So first things first.
Okay.
You're gonna take about a half a cup of butter.
Okay.
You're gonna put it in the bottom of this Pyrex pan. You know, some people like to use metal pans. I like to use the Pyrex because you can see through it, and you know. And you'll take 1 cup of the dark brown sugar, and you're going to liberally spread it
That looks so good.
over the butter that you've melted
In the
in
oven.
your pan, in the oven. Get that nice and spread out in the bottom of your pan. Now, we take our pineapples, okay? Just take our pineapples and we're going to put
spread
them in
them
the
out?
bottom. Yes, just lay them out evenly.
Okay.
Put pineapples next to each other, baby.
They are next to each
No,
other.
they're not.
Oh, you want?
They're not. Looks to me like you could get another pineapple in between there if you know.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Wait, I'm trying to do it so nice.
No, don't be nice.
Okay, so I
Put
need
thing
another
in there.
pineapple. Okay, wait. Got it. Okay.
luckily, we have another can of pineapples.
Well, that's because I ate the first one.
Okay. So you only have 8 pineapples in there, but you don't have room for 12 pineapples. So what you can do is you can take your pineapples and you can break them in half.
Oh.
Put them in
so
the
you
middle.
can have a piece of pineapple at each
Right.
bite.
So each bite, each slice will have some pineapple in it. So now this is where your maraschino.
What? Go ahead, go.
They go in.
I know.
Slices,
I just had to make sure it was good.
Yeah. Okay, you're gonna make me spill my beer. Just set them in there. I tried slicing them in half. That's a waste of time.
Okay.
All right, so just put them in there.
What about for the halves? Do you put them in the halves?
Put them in the halves.
Just looks so pretty.
It's nice.
It's pretty.
Nice.
Okay.
So after you finish doing this, now it's time to make the batter that goes on top. See?
The pineapple cake.
Right.
Got it.
Right. Then your pineapples will be down there, and your cake will be up here. And when you flip it, that's when you got
the
pineapple upside down. Rum cake. Rum cake.
Rum cake. That's
Not
the most
just
important part.
Not just your run-of-the-mill
What made you
pineapple
start doing this anyway? This whole rum cake.
Because I like rum cake and I like pineapple upside down cake, two of my favorite cakes. And my mother said one day, just put them together.
Really?
And I was like,
that's simple?
Yeah. Of course, I drank half a bottle of rum before I realized she was talking about in the cake. I ain't never been accused of being too bright. All right, let's make this batter. Okay? And our batter consists of our cake mix.
Right.
Okay. Instead of the 1 cup of water, we use the cup of the pineapple juice. Right. Get that pineapple flavor all in there.
Yes,
okay.
That's how you switch it up a little bit. You gotta always, dock it up.
That's right. 3 large eggs. Okay.
Yep.
And a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil is what it calls for. But instead we use
butter.
And I always forget this, but I ain't gonna forget it this time because I'm putting it right in right now.
Oh, you're pudding.
I got my vanilla pudding. So,
babe, do you know how to crack it with one hand? Boop. Like the experts like this.
Yeah. Did you see that?
What?
That shell. It's a shell.
Pick it out.
Yeah.
I bet you still can't do it. Don't try to do that.
I'm not going to try to do that.
That was on one
I'm
hand.
going to crack an egg like I learned how to crack an egg, okay? Without the shells going in. Thank you. Now, what we're going to do right here, folks, is we're going to add some rum right now.
That's the best part. And by the way, it does not make you drunk, okay? Once you cook with the alcohol, it actually just keeps the flavor of the alcohol.
Okay,
y'all. Bet you didn't know that, huh?
Y'all keep believing.
No, it's true.
Okay.
It's true.
All right. Well,
it's like when you cook with wine.
I tell you what.
Pasta.
This cup of rum ain't gonna do nothing to you. Okay. All right. Now.
Delicious.
So now we're gonna mix all of this together.
Mix. Mix that cake mix. Mix that cake mix. Mix. Mix that cake mix. Cake mix. Oh my God, that smells so good.
So y'all should know, this is a junkie for cake batter. Do not, repeat, because of the raw eggs, do not eat cake batter. So
ain't nothing wrong with me. I've been eating cake batter since I was in 2nd grade.
And you see what happened, right? Catch a nice little case of salmonella, okay? And we ain't talking about salmonella.
If bodybuilders could take raw eggs and mix it without cooking it in whatever kind of concoction that they have, and they drink it.
And we all know how healthy they are. Don't do it.
It's so good.
Don't do it. Listen to your Uncle Byrd. Don't do it.
Okay, so now we're going to take the batter and put it inside of this wonderful concoction.
Yeah, spread it evenly.
It is even. Oh, okay, smarty.
And there we are. That's our basic cake.
We're gonna pop this in the oven. How long do you think it should take?
It should take about half an hour.
We're gonna put this in the oven for about 30 minutes on 350 degrees, okay?
So what we have to do in order to like really make this cake the bomb diggity is you have to make the glaze. Okay. Now normally the glaze doesn't go on the pineapple upside down cake. However, it does go on the rum cake. And since we're combining them, we want the glaze to be like all throughout there, you know what I mean? So that when you get ready to eat a piece of that cake, you look at somebody else and go, cheers. All right. So, on a low flame, okay, we're gonna take a regular pot, all right? We're gonna take a quarter cup of water, put that in there. We are going to take a quarter cup of butter, all right? Let that get in there. All right. We're gonna take 1 cup of sugar. But here's the surprise. That's right. Don't tell Makita, she ain't here right now, all right? We're gonna put a little more rum in here. Matter of fact, I'd say about half cup of rum. That way. Your glaze will make you glaze, you know what I'm saying? All right, gonna let that simmer on top of the stove.
Check this out. Watch out, Chachi.
Let's give it the old toothpick test. Toothpick in.
That's clean as a whistle. Could you whistle? So how long does this have to sit, babe?
Nah. It's gonna have to sit probably about 10 minutes.
We're poking the holes so the glaze could seep through in the cake.
Yo.
What?
There's 2 sides to it, okay? Stay over there. There's no set amount of holes that we need.
You need about 100 holes.
Just enough holes so that
it can soak
when
through.
they pour the glaze on, oh, look at that glaze. Look at that. Now, so I'm going to take some of the glaze with a spoon. I'm going to let it just...
Now, out of that whole thing, are you going to use the whole thing and put it inside the cake? Or are
No,
you...
man, because when you flip it over, you got to put it on the other side.
So we're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes and then you're going to flip it over! That is so pretty. Ooh, do you see the steam? Look how beautiful that cake is. Now that's a holiday rum cake. Babe, you did good. I'm ready to try it though. Do you want to try it? Oh my God. All right, here, I'm ready. Okay, you ready? It's so moist. It's so moist.
Yeah.
Wait. Something's missing.
Yep.
The glaze. Forgot to put the glaze on top. Get the glaze, babe. Yes, please. I eat batter and I eat cake. Babe. This is better than any bottle of wine that you could bring over to anybody's house for the holidays, okay? Bring this cake. I swear it's going to be a hit.
And just remember, if you get stopped by the police, Ossifer, I just had cake.
Well, thank you guys so much for being with us on this journey of making Byrd's famous pineapple upside down rum cake. And make sure you subscribe, comment, and like on the bottom. And we'll see you next week. Happy
Peace.
holidays.